A missing heiress, a mysterious trip, and a brutal murder come together in this gripping page-turner, the first in H.N. Wake's new series featuring FBI Special Agent Domini Walker. Returning from an involuntary leave of absence, the gutsy, tenacious FBI Special Agent Domini Walker catches a no-brainer missing persons case. The young heiress Hettie Van Buren has slipped away on a sexy weekend with a delinquent boyfriend. But things are not as they seem, not by a long shot. The gruesome discovery of the boyfriend's corpse catapults Dom into action. Has Micah Zapata's Honduran past finally caught up with him? Why did Micah and Hettie conceal their trip? What secret is the wealthy Van Buren family hiding? While awaiting the findings of a perilous internal affairs investigation and battling her own personal demons from a tragic past, Dom races to assemble the pieces of a treacherous puzzle. With the help of sassy staff operations specialist Mila Peck and peculiar museum researcher Mila Pascale, Dom tracks an elusive killer from sumptuous Central Park penthouses to the haunting piers in the Bronx and the dusty plains of Honduras.